spot inspection by the police begins at the hotel in Mysuru in the Renukaswamy murder case. As per sources, Darshan was at this hotel when he was arrested. There were some financial transactions and conversations that took place in this location after the murder and after the body had been disposed. So now the spot inspection being carried out by the police officials. Remember, the police are visiting several of these locations where the crime allegedly took place. They're piecing together the information of the sequence of events as they happened on the fateful night. Now the police officials are at a hotel in Mysuru where Darshan was allegedly staying, and the police believe that this is where several conversations had taken place regarding the murder, and some financial transactions also could have taken place. Remember, there are allegations that a huge amount of money had been paid by Darshan to his associates to dispose of the body of Renukaswamy after he was involved, that he was killed. And the police officials believe that it could perhaps be here in this hotel where the conversations have taken place. The police are also collecting CCTV footage. The claim that has been made by Darshan and his lawyer is that Darshan has nothing to do with the case. He was not at the spot. So the police officials are also bringing in CCTV footage from several of these locations, including the shed where Renukaswamy, the fan of Darshan, who had been killed by Darshan and his associates. That's an allegation that has been made. The police officials are now investigating the same. My colleague Deepak joining us on the broadcast. Deepak, now the spot inspection being carried out by the police officials, what are the details? What is said to have taken place in the hotel? We understand Darshan was there after the murder.
Well, we should note that when he was arrested, it was from the Radisson Hotel in Mysuru, and the police, of course, arrived there early in the morning, picked him up and brought him to Bengaluru. That's when, of course, it was announced that he was actually arrested in the case connecting to the murder of Renukaswamy. Information that we have from sources in the police department suggests that there was a meeting that took place between the accused, including Darshan, at the hotel. There was, conversations about how the body was disposed and what to, what should be done as well, especially pertaining to going and surrendering before the police. We also should note that we had put out those details of how in the remand copy the police had suggested that 5 lakh each was offered to some of the accused to actually take the blame and, say that they were the ones who actually, committed the murder over some financial issue and keep Darshan's name out of it. So this is believed to have happened in that hotel.
So the investigations into the same are continuing.